Hi, I'm Natasha Denona. I am so excited to show you my new Mini Star palette. The new Mini Star palette is featuring 5 existing shades out of the large classic star eyeshadow palette. I have created a beautiful look to inspire you using my new Mini Star palette. Keep on watching and learn step by step. This new palette features 5 of my most popular high-quality pigment eyeshadows, which come in different finishes: matte, metallic, and shimmery shades. This compact size palette is perfect for the holidays. You can create any party look, from a classic glam to smoky dramatic eyes.